Ariel is all ready for her prom, your dance, your prom. Okay, so again, we didn't have to do much with Ariel because she has beautiful skin. She's 14, and we did the BB cream. We did a little powder. She decided we're gonna go with gloss. We did her brows. She has lashes, and she got some glitter on her lids. And that's all you have to do. Just keep brushing your brows. In the direction you want them to go, they'll go. So what I'm going to do is kind of go up on this. But that's just how your brows grow. It's not the same. So let me.
Are they the same size?
No.
Yeah, because I would say this one's a lot thicker.
Yeah, it's not. What I can do is do this up here to give it, to make it look like, see how, see, you can tell I went above it. See how that is?
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. So no, nobody's brows are the same. And so thank you for tuning in. Again, 5-minute faces. Instagram is 5_minute_faces. And Facebook is the word 5-minute faces. Until the next time, 5-minute faces. Thank you for watching.